Yo guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to start trading forex as a total beginner. Now before you can start trading forex, there are two main things that you need. The first is a broker. Now the broker is where you do your deposit and do your withdrawal. So the broker is like the middleman. The broker is where it will take your small money, then amplify it using leverage so that to give you the chance to trade on the international forex market. So there are several types of brokers out there. We have XM, Exness, FBS, Tiger with there are a whole lot of different types of brokers out there, but make sure the one that you choose is actually regulated so that they will not run away with your money. There are a lot of scammers, or let's say fake brokers out there, so be very careful the kind of broker that you choose. But the one that I will personally recommend is Exness. I'll leave the link down in the description so you can click it and register and start trading forex. So like I said, the broker is where you do your deposit and do your withdrawal. That is what it basically means. So after getting your broker, the next thing that you need is actually your trading platform. Now the trading platform is where you actually execute your trade, where you enter your sell or buy order. So there are several types of trading platforms out there, but the most popular one is the MetaTrader 5 and the MetaTrader 4 apps. So head over to Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, then search for MetaTrader 5 and install it. I have mine already installed, so I don't need to install it again. So after installing your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, when you open it, it will look something like this. So this specifically is your MetaTrader 5. This is it. This is where you actually execute your trade on the international forex market. So before you can start actually trading on the forex market, you need to create an account with your forex broker. So I'll be using Exness as my broker in this tutorial. So you need to create an account with the broker, in this case Exness. The link is down in the description. Click on it and register. So after opening an account with Exness and verifying your account, it will look something like this. So as a total beginner, I'll suggest that you start with a demo account. You practice it for a while. After you get the basics and you know that, okay, right now I believe in myself, then you can actually start trading with a real account or the real money. So in this case, we are going to open a demo account. So for you to open a demo account, just click on the demo and click on open new account. Then select the platform that you want, whether MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. But in this case, I'll go with the MetaTrader 5 because the MetaTrader 5 is the current version and it has more features than the MetaTrader 4. So I'll be selecting the MetaTrader 5. So you can either go with a standard account, a pro account, a raw spread. Like there are different types of account, but the most popular one is the standard account. So I'll be choosing the standard account. Then you click on continue. Then you come to this page. So we have demo or real. The real is the real account where you have real money using it to trade, and the demo account is the virtual account that the money is not real. That one, the money is just a virtual money, so if you lose it, it's not your real money. So in this case, since you're a beginner, we will be going with the demo account. Now select the leverage. Now leverage comes in twofold. It can either go against you or go in your favor. That is what basically leverage means. So if you are choosing your leverage, be very mindful of the kind of leverage that you choose, because it can either go in your favor or go against you. So in this case, I'll be choosing leverage of 1:1000. You can either choose 1:100, any leverage that you want. But just remember that leverage is risky, so you should be very careful the type of leverage that you choose. Now the starting balance, I'll suggest you go with either $100 or maybe $10. Be realistic when you are using the demo account. Don't go and choose an astronomical amount of money that you know real life you don't get the amount of money to use to trade. You want to be realistic. choose an amount of money that you actually know that, okay, in real life I can get this amount of money to trade. So I know that in real life I can get like $100 to trade. So my starting balance, I'll select 100. You can go with any amount that you want, but be realistic with it, because the way you practice in a demo will be similar to the way that you practice with a real account. So if you are not realistic with your demo and you start trading a real account, you blow your account because you did not train well. That is why I'm saying be realistic. The amount of money that you know you can actually deposit in real life to trade, that is what you should choose in your demo. So select your starting balance as 100. Then the currency, you can either go with your local currency or the United States dollars. So I'll just leave it as the United States dollars. Then here you create a password. Then here you can name your account nickname. You can name the account any name that you want. So in this case, you will say Forex beginner Forex, or any type of name. You will just say beginner Forex. Since you're a beginner, let's just name it beginner Forex. Then here you create a password. So make sure the password that you choose is a strong password. Then you click on create account. So let me enter my password and I'll be back. So after entering your password, just click on create an account. Then you wait for a while and it will create the account. So you see that it has created an account. Here you see demo over here, and you see beginner Forex. That is the name of the account that we created. So now, right now that you have created an account with your broker, right now you need to log into the MetaTrader 5 app. That is where you actually execute your trade. That is the Forex market. You need to log into that MetaTrader 5 account so that you can start trading with your Forex account. So for you to log into your MetaTrader 5 app and start trading on the financial markets, you just open your account, then you come to this page. Just click on the top left corner where you see codes. Click over there, then click on manage account. Then you come to this page, then click on the plus icon at the top right corner over here. You click on that plus icon. Then here we have find broker. So you come back to your broker, then you come and look at the name. So the name over here is, or let's say the server is Exness MT5 trial. So you come and type it here, enter it to Exness MT5 trial. So when you enter it, this is what will come, Exness Technologies Limited. Just click on it, then you see Exness MT5 trial over there. So that is the account that you that is the name, the server of your account, Exness MT5 trial. That is what is showing over there. So here we have your login. So the login is this code, this number over here. So enter this number at where they say login. So let's enter it and see. Okay, so you have 241154590. So after that, then you enter the password that you entered whilst creating your demo account. So enter it over here, then click on login. So let me do it right now and I'll be right back. So after entering your password, just click on login. And you can see over here it says accessing, then it has come. You see $100 over here. This is the demo account, it's not real money. You see the $100 over here. Now come back to your broker and you see your demo account over here, beginner Forex. You see the free margin. The free margin is your balance. You see 100 over here. Come back to your MetaTrader 5. You see beginner Forex over here, and you see 100 USD over here. So that is it. You have actually created a demo account. So now let's come back to the broker. Yeah, so you see you can set a new balance over here. So just come over here, then enter any amount that you want. So let's say if I enter 1,000 over here, it has to reflect on my MetaTrader 5 app. So let's head back to MetaTrader 5 app. You see it has become 1,000. So that is it. The amount that is appearing on your MetaTrader 5 is the same thing that will appear on your broker. So that is it. So if you trade and your money gets to 0 over here, automatically the one in your broker too will become 0, means you have blown your account. So that is what it basically means. Yeah, so now that you have created, let me set it back to 100. I want to be realistic, so 100. All right, so right now that you have created your account, here's how you actually start trading forex. So if you log into your account, you come over here, you see your balance over here 100. Yeah, so now for you to start trading, there are different types of currencies or different currency pairs out there that you can trade. So click on quotes, then to bring you over here. Now you see a lot of currency pairs over here. Don't get scared. These are the currency pairs, so you can either add or subtract. So if you click on the plus icon at the top over here to bring you to this page, then click on forex group. So this is where you find all the forex currency pairs over here. So you can either go with GBP, USD. That is the most popular one. Now the M attached to it means that like my money is small, that is why there's M over there. But if my money were to be big, the small M over there will not appear. So this is the GBP USD. We have XAU USD, that is the gold against the dollar. XAUAD. You have Euro USD. So there are a lot of currency pairs over there. So this is how you actually add the currency pairs. Now head back to the where they have written codes over here. So if you come to the codes over here, you can either remove or add the currency pairs to it. So for you to remove the currency pairs that you don't want them appearing over here, just click on this pencil at the top right corner over here, then click on the delete icon. So you can select the ones that you want to remain and delete the one that you actually don't want. So I'm going to leave the BTC USD over here. I don't want this one. I'll leave this three. So just click on delete. So right now you are left with the BTC versus the Australian dollar, that is the BTC AUAD. Then we have Bitcoin versus US dollar, BTC USD. Then we have GBP USD, that is the Great Britain pound versus the dollar, the US dollar. Then we have XAU USD, that is the gold versus the US dollar. Then you have the Euro USD, that is the euro versus the US dollar. So now that you have added your currency pairs, the one that you actually want to trade with, let's go ahead and let me show you how you can actually enter trade. So let's say I want to start trading gold. So I'll first have to analyze the chart. So I'll come to the chart over here, then I'll analyze it. I can go with maybe the 1 minute time frame. Now the 1 minute time frame, what it actually means is that every single candle that you see over here means it took 1 hour for it to form. If you click on the 30 minutes time frame, it means that every single candlestick that you see over here, it took 30 minutes for it to form. If you click on the 1 day time frame, it means that every candlestick that you see over here, it took 1 full day for it to form. You can go as long as you want. You can come to the 1 week or the month. So that is how it go. But the most popular ones, it depends on your trading style. You can either, if you're a scalper, normally you'll be around the 5 minutes or the 1 minute time frame. But if you're a string trader, that is where you go by the weeks or months time frame. So me, most of the time I'm a scalper, so I'll go with the 5 minutes or the 50 minutes time frame. So let's go with the 5 minutes. So let's say you have analyzed your chart. I'll do another video where I'll show you guys how to actually analyze it, but this is just the beginning stage, so I'm not going to waste time analyzing everything. So let's say you have analyzed everything and you actually want to start placing or executing your trade. So let's say you analyze it, you saw that, okay, what do you call it, the buyers are going up. Let's say the buyers are strong because the chart is actually going up. So you enter buy because you think maybe you have predicted that, okay, the trend is going to go up. So you enter buy over here, you click on the buy, then they will bring this thing. You have to accept it so that you don't accidentally blame them that they have wasted your money or anything. So you have to accept the terms and conditions, then click on OK. All right, so Right now, let's enter the trade. Let's say I want to go with buy. Buy means that you are predicting that the thing will go up. If you select sell, it means that you are predicting that the market will go down. So this one, I'm predicting that, this example, I'm predicting that the market is going to go up. So I'm just going to enter buy, just for example. So if you enter the buy over here, you come over here, you come over to trade. You see balance over here. That is the amount of money that you started with before you enter the trade. And you see the 99 or the equity down over here. That is the actual amount that is left remaining. That is the actual amount. So right now that I have entered the trade, if you see blue there, it means that you are making money. But if you see red over here, it means you are losing money. So right now I entered, but I predicted that the thing is going to go up, and it's going up. So it means that I'm actually making money when it's blue, and when it's red, it means that I'm losing money. Now for you to close a trade, you can either come up over here and go to close all positions. That will close every single trade. Let's say I want to open multiple trading, so I'll click on buy. Maybe you see I've opened multiple trades. So let's say I'm losing money, I want to close all of them at the same time. I'll just come to close all positions, then I'll just cut the trade. Or let's say I'm making money. Let's say I want to close individual trade. That one, you just swipe to its left, then click on the first icon. Then here you see close with profit. Then you close it. Means that you have closed it, the first trade. Let's say I want to close the second one too. Close it. Then I'll come back to history. Now history is where all your trading activities for the day appears on. So if you want to see how much you made that day, you just come back, then you see the amount of money that you made or lost. So that is what it basically means. So these are the basics of Forex. For this video, I just wanted to show you guys how to actually create a broker account and how to actually create a MetaTrader 4 account, then link your broker to the MetaTrader 5 app and start trading. So that is the purpose of this video. So I'll do a second video. Make sure you like and subscribe so that you won't miss that video, where I'll explain how to actually do the technical analysis, and I explain all the terms used in Forex so that you understand it better, then teach you some of the most popular strategies that people use to analyze the market and make predictions to make money. All right guys, so that is what I have basically for you today. So today we learned that the broker is where you actually deposit your money and do your withdrawal. The broker is like the middleman. It takes your small money, then amplify it using leverage so that you can trade on the international markets. And the trading platform, in this case MetaTrader 5, is where you actually place your trade or execute your trade. So that is what I have for you guys today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Peace out. Subscribe, man. Subscribe for money.